Well, this one's going to be a shorty but a goodie. 2.3 structured solids. This is the graphical representation, or I should say a depiction of ionic solids and the different ways they show them. So I want to make sure that you're pretty good with user symbolization that you need to demonstrate when looking at one of these or drawing one of these. So we won't be doing the types of crystals and all that kind of stuff. That won't be part of representations at all. We will be drawing some. Use whatever symbolization they provide in their drawing. So like, for example, if this is showing magnesium and chlorine like this and iron and chlorine like this, and you need to have the switch out, show them as they've been shown. So if they show manganese being larger, make it larger. Calcium being larger, make sure you draw it larger. This ball and stick model may be shown probably as a representation, but usually don't draw them these ways. Usually these are common types of ideas. So a couple aspects is make sure labeling may be needed. If they give it to you this way, use what they have. They always kind of guide. They don't ever just come out with a question that says like draw this without giving you an image of it beforehand. But it's critical that when you have these things together, you opposite charged ions next to each other, in any of these shapes, because that's critical of showing an ionic compound. You have the negatively charged part of the water molecule attached to the positively charged cation, and the negative hydrogen, I should say the positive hydrogens attracted to the negative anion. That's always critical when you show it in water. You want to make sure that's represented accurately. But other than that, that's about it. So keep an eye on how these things are represented, what they look like, and make sure you read them properly. And again, if they show the actual charges provided, make sure you write those too. If they don't need to. If they just show positives and negatives, just show what they show. So match what they do, and you should be good as gold. Let me know what questions you have. Catch you on the flip side.